You leave your coat on my chair like a promise, half undone, still carrying the rain. I watch you move through my kitchen in silence, like you've always known the shape of this place. The glass grows warm while you talk about Tuesday, bills and trains and a meeting gone wrong. Nothing dramatic, no thunder above us, still my chest keeps learning your song. I like the way we don't rush into answers, how your hand finds mine under the table. We laugh too softly in crowded apartments, like we're keeping something fragile stable. There's happiness here, not loud, not polished, more like linen creased by real life. And maybe that's why it scares me a little. Good things breathe, but they don't always stay tied. So I fold my fears into ordinary motions, wash the glasses, close the drawer. You kiss my shoulder and I almost believe. I don't need to ask for more, I feel safe with you, but safety trembles like water held in a porcelain cup. I don't want forever carved into marble, I just want today to be enough. I'm standing beside you, not waiting for leaving, not painting the ending before it arrives. But love has a weather I can't keep from reading, blue in the gold of your eyes. You send me photos of streets I don't walk down, a window, lunch, your tired shoes. I smile at my phone in the middle of deadlines, then wonder what distance can quietly do. No one is breaking, no doors closing. We're warm, we're careful, we're still choosing this. But even the sweetest room has corners where a lonely thought can sit. So I keep your voice in the pocket of evening, let it soften the edge of the day. You say my name and the room turns gentle. Still I don't know how to stay unafraid. I feel close to you, but closeness flickers like candles near an open hall. I don't need diamonds, vows or guarantees, just your real hand when my defenses fall. I'm standing beside you, not counting the exits, not making it ghost out of time. But love has a rhythm I can't stop checking, a tender ache under the rhyme. Maybe grown-up love is not being certain, maybe it's choosing with both eyes awake. Not the fever, not the fairy tale curtain, but the beautiful risk we take. So let me be brave in the softest places, let me not punish joy for being rare. If my heart shakes while you hold it, that doesn't mean I'm not there. I feel known by you, and still I'm trembling, like color soaking into cloth. I don't need perfect, I don't need fearless, I only need us to keep showing up. I'm standing beside you, still tender, still learning, not hiding the ache, not calling it wrong. Love has a weather, but maybe we can dance through the change as it comes along. I feel loved by you and love still trembles, but I won't set it down out of fear. Let the world stay unfinished around us, let tomorrow stay unclear. I'm standing beside you, not asking for silence, not shrinking the truth to survive. This love is a room with the windows left open, and I choose the wind while it's mine. I watch you circle dates on borrowed time. Coffee cups grew cold as they wouldn't sleep, laughing at the rain that tried to interfere. every promise folded carefully. Measured words, measured space, measured dreams. Every choice aligned like city lights. I learned your silence is your subtle signs. How love moves when it's built to last. I step back, let the moment breathe. Hands unseen, still guiding gently. This is your day, drawn in real colors. Every step lands where it's meant to be. I've traced the lines, erased the doubts. Now it's your turn to simply be. I'm standing close but out of sight, watching love arrive on time. Final checks, the quiet before the sound. Heartbeat sinking with the room. What we planned is now unfolding like a song that finally blooms. No revisions, no reruns now. Just trust the flow. You already know this is your day. Nothing borrowed. Every glance says we're ready now. All the hours, all the care turned into air. You're breathing out. I won't lead, I won't decide. I just believe you'll fly. The air may turn a little unscripted. Voices shake, the timing bends. Those aren't flaws in the design. That's love learning how to expand. This is your day, alive and moving. Every sound feels honestly true. I held the frame, you paint the rest. That's all I ever meant to do. From here on out, it's all yours. Every open door, this is your day. Keep it shining. Carry it beyond these walls. I'll stay behind the scenes you leave, cheering every time you call. Not goodbye, just letting go. To watch your forever glow. I learned your voice before my name. Gentle call that felt like home. Small hands held, no questions asked. I never walked alone. Ordinary days, the table light, stories told the same old way. Nothing loud, nothing grand, just a love that chose to stay. When the world feels hard to face, I don't need to explain. You see me as I am, you always did. You're the place I'm always held, the ones who stand when I can't stand tall. No matter how far I roam, you're the heart that feels like home. Time keeps moving, seasons turn. We change but still remain. Different roads, the same warm light calling out my name. When I doubt the ground I'm on and my steps feel unsure, you believe before I do, that's the truth. You're where my heart feels not just shelter, not just walls. It's the way you say my name, like I've always belonged. You're the place I come back to, the greatest gift I've ever known. Just the fact that I hear makes this life feel whole. You don't have to say a word tonight, I can hear you in the quiet space. Every breath you're trying to hold is already enough for me. Your hands are tired, I can tell from the way you hide them away. But even shadows know they don't have to stay. You've been walking slower than before, counting steps instead of dreams. Still the ground remembers you, every place you've been. If the answers don't arrive and the air feels a little thin, I'll be right here, letting you breathe again. You don't need to be stronger now, you don't need to be brave. Just let your heart lean gently. This is a safe place. I'm still here, right beside you. Nothing you feel is too much. Even the silence between us is holding us up. If you lose the words you meant to say, if the light feels far away, I'm still here. That's enough today. Time moves softly when you rest, like a song without a rush. All the things you couldn't fix don't matter so much. Your tears don't change the way I see your face, they only show how deeply you care. You'll need to find the reason why, or carry it all alone. Let the weight fall quietly, you're already home. I'm still here, right beside you, breathing in the same calm air. Even when your heart feels fragile, you don't disappear. If your steps begin to sway, if today feels hard to face, I'm still here, we'll take it this way. Maybe healing isn't loud, maybe it's slow and small, like learning how to trust again the moment before you fall. I won't pull you forward, I won't ask you to run, I'll match your pace until the hurt is done. I'm still here, staying with you through the unsure and the still. Every piece you're trying to gather is already real. You don't have to reach the end, you don't have to change today. I'm still here, and that's okay.